In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off location in Perplexity AI. If you want a little more privacy or prefer that Perplexity doesn't use your location to tailor responses, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to switch that off. We're going to use the built-in controls that manage site permissions, so you won't need any extra tools. The labels you see might vary slightly depending on your browser, but the path is the same idea across most modern browsers. Start by opening your Perplexity account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in and on the Perplexity site so your browser recognizes which site we're adjusting. Next, look for the three dots menu, usually in the corner of the window or interface. This menu is where you'll find the main controls and settings for your browsing experience. Click Settings. This opens the central place where you can manage privacy preferences and site permissions. From here, choose Privacy and Security. This section groups together tools that control what sites can do with things like cookies, camera, microphone, and in our case, your location. Now select Site Settings. Think of Site Settings as the dashboard that decides what each website can access. Inside Site Settings, click Location. This is the page that specifically governs whether sites are allowed to know your approximate position. On the Location page, you'll see how your browser is handling location requests and a list of sites that either have permission or have been blocked. In my case, location for Perplexity is already not allowed, which means the site can't see where I am. If you see that Perplexity is allowed to access your location, simply click the trash icon next to it. That removes the existing permission and turns off location for Perplexity. Removing the permission ensures the site won't automatically access your location the next time you use it. A quick note on what this change does. Turning off location prevents Perplexity from using your geographic data to customize responses, which can be helpful if you're aiming for consistent results or just want more privacy. If your location is already blocked, you're all set and don't need to do anything else here. That's the entire process. Open your Perplexity account, go to the three dots menu, open Settings, head into Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, tap Location, and, if Perplexity is allowed, click the trash icon to remove that access. Once that's done, Perplexity AI won't be able to see your location.